Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix blurry screen in Windows 11 in a very simple way. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first, you just need to click on your right mouse button and go for display settings. So click on that. After coming on display settings, you just need to go for the scale section and be sure that you scaled with the recommendation. And after that, you just need to go for the display resolution. So be sure that you set it the perfect recommended resolution for your display. After this problem is solved yet by these two configuration, then it's okay. But if it's not, then you just need to come over into your start icon, click on the right mouse button and go for device manager. Click on that. And after that, you just need to come over into display adapter settings. So if you click on the right mouse button, you can see that AMD Radeon TM graphics card, and be sure that it's up to date by click on the right mouse button and click on the update driver and click on the search automatically for drivers. So click on that, and you just need to be the best driver for your device is already installed. So be sure with that, and yeah, I think this solution would be fixed your problem. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.